Hey there, Encappers. In today's episode, we're going to talk about a new idea that we have here at Excellent Supply. It's called CRB Garage. Stick around to find out more. Well, like I mentioned, we're going to talk about CRB Garage. What is that? Well, it's a way that you can get your CRB machine serviced and back in order quickly. This is Rodney. He's our lead tech here at Excellent Supply. Before we talk about what we're going to be doing with CRB machines, I want to kind of introduce you to some of Rodney's background when it comes to mechanical things. So where did you get started, Rodney, doing mechanical stuff?
Yeah, so I'm just out of high school, auto mechanics, and then kind of gradually morphed into aviation mechanics, general Cessna airplanes, and that. Did that for a few years, car stereo electronics, and of course we've been buddies for years. And I've been here at Excellent Supply fixing everything from forklifts to Cymex to Orbot Vibe machines and CRB machines. So we kind of recently realized that the CRB machine is obviously a huge part of this industry. Guys love them, and if they're well maintained, they can go on virtually forever. So we started getting some machines in when customers requested and found that we had all the parts, we got the expertise, so why not do some more CRB repairs?
All right, so there you have it. So the idea here is that you simply send in your CRB machine, Rodney tears it down, gets into it, fixes it, gives you the price, of course. It's all transparent so you know what you're looking at. After the machine is back in good running order, we ship it back to you. And since the CRB machine is easily packageable and not that difficult to ship across the country, anyone in the country can ship us a CRB machine and we'll get it back in good working order quickly. Anything you want to say on a wrap up on that?
Yeah, well, just in general, we'll find that with a little bit of neglect, the CRBs get a little bit of corrosion on them. They need bearings and gears. And some of the maintenance is pretty easy. You can do it yourself at home, and you can get some guidance from us. But a lot of times it's just, as you might see in a video when we show the maintenance, it's a little more than the average guy can take on. We know what's involved. We can bring it in, tear it apart, know exactly what it's going to need. We've seen all kinds of variations of corrosion. Some parts need to be replaced. Sometimes they can be cleaned up, lubed, and on they go. But we have the facilities and ability to do that.
Well, thank you, Rodney. Hopefully you'll appreciate being able to get your CRBs tuned up here at Excellent Supply. So it's our new thing, CRB Garage. We're excited about it, and we think it's going to be something beneficial for the industry. Thanks for watching this episode, and thank you, Rodney.
Great, no problem.